Natulog kami buong araw, ma'am.
That's nice to hear. Okay, sir. Unang-una, how are you po? Talagang ang daming gusto magtanong, kumusta po si President Duterte?
Sa awa ng Diyos, okay ako. Wala nga.
Okay, sir. Hindi na po ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa, sir. Nitong weekend, lalo na kahapon, ang dami hong nagulantang at nagpanik dahil dun sa balita. Ano po ba talaga ang nakarating sa inyo, sir? Meron daw po ba kayo talagang warrant of arrest? Ano po?
Alam mo, ma'am, what is circulating in the city of Manila, it's almost the same that's being bruited around dito because of the communications, very easy. As a matter of fact, it's almost instant, ilang segundo lang. So ang masasabi ko, ma'am, is though I do not claim ignorance about the moves before and long before and after a few months of respite, nandiyan na naman yung issue. So I guess this mga ano na ito, issues, I would call them, would hound me until the dying days of my life.
Okay. So, ano to, sir? So, they won't really stop.
Again?
So, talagang hindi sila titigil, sir?
No, as I remain, mainly if I remain to be a politician all the year round. But it might simmer a little bit down the line. Siguro pag hindi na masyado ako active. But for as long as I am there in the political arena of the Republic of the Philippines, I would be a constant, not really issue, but a good copy for whatever I say or whatever I do, and what happened yesterday and what will happen tomorrow.
Alright.
Ganon, okay?
Sir, okay, sir, does this bother you, sir? Itong mga naglutangang information na meron ng warrant sa inyo? Warrant of arrest?
Alam mo, ma'am, sa totoo lang, I have been in politics for almost nearly 30 years. Been mayor, lahat na klaseng issue. Firstly as vice mayor, congressman, then as president. Hindi ko naman sinasabi minamaliit ko. Pagyayabang yan eh. But it's almost an day in, day out, month long, year after year. It's has become an irritation, really. Especially if patanda ka na and you still have to deal with the same questions and issues until now. Pero I take it as part of my political life. Kasi nandyan ay early on nagpasok ako sa gobyerno as a prosecutor that verily as early as ilang taon lang pumasok na ako sa politika.
Okay. Sir, kung sakali nga po na meron at kayo ay pasoman po, will you appear?
Again, ma'am.
If ever na meron nga po talaga, kung talagang totoo nga itong warrant of arrest ng mga lumutang, sakaling meron niya talaga, what's your plan po? Will you appear kung sakaling ipasoman po kayo, sir?
I would say that not really appear or non-appearance, but I will deal with the problem directly, frontally. As a lawyer, Gagamitin ko na yung pagka-abogado ko.
Since you will already have your meeting po, di ba, sir, kanina?
Okay, sir. So, suffice to say that you have been prepared for this po, Mr. President?
For the longest time. For the longest time since, as far as I can remember, maaga ako nung ilang years early on, so that to be around siguro, put it lightly, mga first 5 years, first term, second term, nandyan na yan. So, I have learned to deal with the problem directly, frontally, and walang pasikot-sikot.
Alright.
I have been very frank all these years.
Alright. Okay. Sir, aside from this po, sir, meron din pong ipinal sa inyo sa DOJ na inciting to sedition. Unang-una, what's your take on this po, sir, na kayo po ay napailan ng gasto, sir?
Sir, we're expecting that they will
Is it the sedition ngayon?
everyone here in the room.
That's different, sir. Aside from ICC, sir, meron din po, di ba, sir, may pinal din po sa inyo na inciting sa DOJ?
Inciting to sedition?
Sorry, Abalos mentioned
Wala akong alam yan. Ngayon lang.
police na sangkot with
Alam ko na may plano na idemanda ako, pero
names din? Or would you
specifics, ngayon ko lang nalaman.
do you have the idea?
Yun sa ICC, matagal na yun.
Naging happy din kami patati. Sir,
Whatever course it might turn to, I'm ready for it.
Hope. Sir, pero idol si Stick.
Kasi dumaan ako sa trabaho ko,
Sa
ma'am.
imong leadership.
Uh,
Ug sa imong
as
nagbuhat sa
a-
mga kundi tungod sa imong pagkamaayo.
An appointed elected
Nakarami pa rin,
official
sir, mag-support
of
sa
the
inyo, sir.
Republic.
Sana sir, mas mahaba pa yung
I do not offer. There no excuses to give. I offer no apology. I did what I did because
courtesy resignation. Actually, inaantay ko na lang ngayon yung gagawin
to continue. I said I did
uunahan ko na.
what I had to
Sa
do.
CRPO, pipirman ako.
Kasi
Lahat ng mga opisyal ko, pipirman yan.
Trabaho ko at ginawa ko. Whether or not it would run me down or push me up, it's too early and it was history to make the accurate count. Wala ako. I do not want to judge myself except that I answer the problem, the question, whenever it crops up.
Okay. Sir, amidst all these, issues about your, the arrest warrant po ng ICC, pinag-uusapan din po ngayon, syempre, yung impeachment po ni BP. Is it true that are you really going to join his defense panel?
Kaya ako naniniwala. Kaya ako, susuportahan ko to.
In her, rather, defense
Kasi ako alam ko, hindi ako involved sa illegal drugs. Kaya ako naniniwala. Kaya I will support
Yes.
SLD and our GPNP.
Still join, sir?
Your colonels here sa harap
Pero you want
your trust and confidence para sa
the lead
kanila.
counsel anymore, sir?
Sagot, mga Colonel, General, naniniwala ba kayo
Well,
kay SLG sa kay GPNP?
I will deal with the multiple
Muna, sir.
problems as they come along.
Let's move to
And there will be a lot of them.
TV5.
But the basic issues remain the same.
Alright. Sir, nakapag-usap na po kayo ni BP?
She was beside me a few minutes ago after dinner.
Alright. It's good to hear you had dinner together. Sir, ano pong pinayo niyo sa kanya, sir? If there's any po.
Na pag nawala ako sa political scene, either natanggal ako o namatay ako or whatever, for any reason, sabi ko sa kanya, Hiningi ko na sa Pilipinas na tulungan ka pagdating ng panahon at tumakbo ka ng presidente at continue. Hindi ko hinarang yan, ma'am, ngayon na lang, of late, because I think I'm pretty with this kind of problem pa ulit-ulit. Sabi ko, sige, sundin mo na, and for all the unanswered issues, ikaw na ang magpatuloy ng
Mission 60
sumagot.
70, sir. So, yung 60
At kung magpresidente ka man, sundin mo lang yung style ko.
Resignation po. Mag-file sila for this resignation.
Okay ka.
Everyone here in the room po ba?
Huwag kang takot, sabi ko makulong ka.
Yes, and
So, did you say sundin ang
Abalos
style mo?
mentioned also na
Oo.
meron na po silang listahan ng mga police na sangkot to the
Anong
illegal drugs.
particular, sir,
Do you
ang
also
style ni PRRD ang
have
gusto
that,
niyo
names din?
para
Or would you
okay
also
talaga?
rather like talk to them or yung sa mismo?
You
Do you
cannot
have the idea, sir, kung sino-sino po yung mga sangkot po doon?
change the Philippines overnight into a trouble-free country. But you can minimize the misery of the people in the hands of the oppressors and the criminals and all. Pwede mo na rin patayin lahat para isang hearing na naman.
Sir, kaya yung mga ganyang salita mo, sir, kaya ano eh.
Ah.
Anyway, sir,
Tama yan.
napag-usapan niyo ba ni Dito about sa kanyang impeachment, sir?
Hindi naman naniniwala yung babae yan ng payo. At saka hindi naman interesado yan kung
Nagkatag ka sa amo.
ma-impeach talaga siya o well, impeachment ay proceeding. The trial itself you should worried a bit. I don't know, but
Nakarami permis.
makita mo naman yung sa karakter ng babae na yan. It's totally indifferent yung mga problema na yan. I mean, she can always respond. As always, she has been responding to me. Well, I can always transfer to a new life,
Ako
a new beginning.
Nagkatag ka
Ganon yan siya eh. So,
Hope. Wala ka ba?
pagka ganun ang kasusap po ang tao, hindi mo nga mabigyan ng payo.
Imong leadership
What for?
sa imong
Hindi naman nakikinig.
Hindi tungod sa imong pagkamayong tao.
Okay.
Nakarami permis, sir. Mag-support sa inyo, sir.